Dry off. To remove water or moisture from something or someone. She is drying off her hair with blow dryer. Please dry off your body with a towel. Dry out. To make something completely dry or to become completely dry, especially after being wet or soaked. The crops died due to dry out the ground. I left my dresses in the sun to dry out. Dust off. To clean something by removing dust. I am dusting off my table. She dusted off the furniture this morning. Mop up. To clean up a liquid or spill using a mop or cloth. She mopped up the whole office. Please mop up your room now. Put away. To place something in its proper place, usually after using it. I put away it after using. Don't forget to put away your toys in the box. Rinse off. To wash something quickly with water to remove dirt, soap, or any unwanted substance. Please rinse off your hands before eating. I need to rinse off the vegetables before cooking. Scrub off. To clean something by rubbing it hard to remove dirt, stains, or marks. Please scrub off the paint on the floor. She used a brush to scrub off the old dirt. Sweep up. To clean a floor or surface by using a broom to collect dirt, dust, or debris. Can you sweep up the leaves on the yard? She is sweeping up her room. Throw away. To get rid of something by putting it in the trash. I threw away the trash this morning. I am going to throw away the bottle. Wash off. To remove something, like dirt, paint, or makeup, from a surface by washing it with water or another liquid. He washes off his hands after working. I washed off the mud from my bike. Wash up. To clean yourself, usually your hands, face, or body. To clean dishes, utensils, or kitchen items, mostly in British English. She washed up her dirty hands. Please wash up the dishes after dinner. Wipe down. To clean an entire surface thoroughly, usually with a cloth or sponge, often used for bigger surfaces like tables, counters or walls. He wiped down all tables and chairs with a towel. Can you wipe down the kitchen? Wipe off. To remove something from a surface by wiping, usually dirt, dust, or something visible. I wiped off the dust from the window. Please wipe off the stains from the table. Wipe up. To clean a liquid or spill from a surface by using a cloth, paper, or something similar. She quickly wiped up the tea on the floor. I used a towel to wipe up the spilled water on the floor.